Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yeah, the sea is very rough today. The initial plan with Raj was to, do some spearfishing out by sea, try to catch some fish, but that's not working out. So currently we're now walking to find a little crab spot somewhere close to the beach here, so we can hunt for some crabs hopefully and get our very first meal for the day. Alright guys, so we're currently somewhere in the bushes trying to find some crabs because we see a couple crab holes around here, as you guys can see. But no luck yet. Yeah, so we've pretty much been searching for a while now. We don't really have much equipment, just a machete, a couple diving knives, and just some hope. We know that in these waters normally have things like perch or a couple crabs on the land, but we're not seeing anything. But we keep looking. Alright, so at another spot, a lot of duckweeds in the water. I know many persons might be saying like, there could be crocodiles here, but we know that there's no crocodiles here. But there are definitely signs that you normally look for crocodiles. There will be like, kind of like a mudslide type of thing where the crocodiles normally slither back into the water. I'm not seeing any signs of that for sure, and we already have information about this river also. So we're back out by the sea. I mean, the sea is very rough. We had planned to go spearfishing, but that's not going to work for today. So we're just trying the simpler alternatives, which is the crabs. So we're going to go back down to another river and see if we can hopefully find some crabs there, because I'm already getting hungry. Almost done now. So where are something I cut it from? Yeah, I'm at the grill. Yeah, I'm finding a grill. Yeah, nice to come roast anything we catch. I find it funny, like I'm just walking here and the sand is black, and for me I'm like, yo, it's beautiful. But it's always funny, people always say beautiful white sand. I never heard anyone say beautiful black sand. It's nice. It's like small little pearls in black sand. Wow. Alright, so now we finally left off the beach and we are going through some bushels or whatever you want to call these. And Raj is somewhere over there. the DJI. Alright, so we're having no luck with the crabs. We might have to dig for them, right? It's a Sunday, guys.
Oh, the back of the machine have to rub them on it, you know?
Yeah.
Can't wait, so I'm going to use a knife. I'm going to try to dig behind him hole. I think that way down the corner, you know, brother? I don't know. Alright, so they're right there, so.
Rich?
Yeah. Yeah, man, see the hole there. So we kind of take a shortcut. Take a shortcut into the hole, because it starts from running, so it run come so, come back here, so.
Yo, this is a lot of work for one lousy crab.
So we have to go find him.
It's crazy. We've pretty much been walking for probably like a half an hour. That's a lot of energy expelled, but you know, they're on the hunt, trying to get a nice crab. Yo, remember, check over to Spearfishing Jamaica's channel. It's gonna be in the description box. If you guys want to see more videos like, you know, going out hunting.
Yeah, it look like a shark teeth.
Yeah, for real. You know where to find them.
Alright, so the mud wet now we find a shortcut. I'm going for him a few. Kinda want it a little wider so my hand can't fit.
So while Roger work, I pray to you crab gods. Send us the crab. As a long way to live.
Yo, I know. Man, come like it's stuck. Shit. I know I'm carrying this crab, you know.
Alright guys, so we just came off the beach because nothing's happening there, so we go try to find another little swamp or mara spot.
Yo, grab your machine, grab your machine, grab your machine. Holy man. Yo, I'm only big part there. Oh, shit, man, go
Not bite you?
No, man, you know what? I'm in class. Yo, I can't make this going on, man. I'm hungry right now. Shit. Yo, the claw big, you know, brother. Bad. I wonder if his spear going on, I'm good. Shit. Morning. Yeah. Holy. Alright, see claw there.
Oh yeah! Food time!
Couldn't make that one and get to you, brother.
Yo, we've been searching literally for like the past 2 hours or so.
I don't know. Alright, so we have dinner now.
Dinner? You mean like brunch, bro?
Alright, we'll go try.
I'll probably hunt some perch later or something. Oh yes! Woo!
Finally, bro.
Woo! Raj at it again! Yeah, boy!
Alright, trying to get some sticks so we can start on doing up the crabs.
Yo, definitely go catch some perch out of the river or something.
Yeah, I think I'll make a part 2 to my video, because I have to go in the river and catch some perch.
Good.
Yeah, I get it cleaned up and some. See that?
Alright guys, sometimes with dual survival you might come out here minimalistic and you don't get the opportunity to really catch as much as you would when you had so much equipment and stuff. So yeah, we only got one crab today, but hopefully at the end of this video we're gonna try to do another one where we try to get some dinner, cause one crab. Let's get it.
For you, for me.
Yes, sir. Alright, so if you guys remember the last video, the crayfish and shrimp catch and cook, you might have remembered that I cooked the soup, but this time Roger's taking over the kitchen, right? And he's gonna make me try for the very first time like crabs without seasoning. I've never had that before. It's a very primal way of eating. It's a very minimalistic way of traveling and hunting. So I'm gonna try that, and I'll give you guys my honest feedback. I'm hungry, so that's supposed to raise my taste buds probably. So I'll let you guys know. Claw still moving, so fresh catch. So Raj say my road him like a chef stick.
I'm gonna simmer down,
Alright, so for the viewers them, how do you know when the leg is, well the legs are small so they should be done really quick, but how do you know about like the joints? How do you figure it out?
I see everything black now.
Yeah.
Good.
Some people are gonna say they have a black meat bun.
No, the meat inside good enough.
No, for the legs, because the legs are small, so
yeah,
should be easy.
Just the outside black, but the inside
is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You hear that? They've always slave for it. That one already, the chef stick never fails. Yeah.
Alright, so Raj said this part of the crab, as you remember, it's called the chassis.
You said it.
Alright. Raj, this better taste good enough.
What do you mean? I cook it in a man.
Alright, so I know you guys can't smell it, but it smells like crab. There's no difference in smell, but just a little bit roasted. That toasty kind of smell, so still anxious.
Yeah. See that? For the taste test, so I'll look a plate there. Alright, try that first.
Alright.
Yeah, give the people my honest opinion, because everybody else say, oh, that must taste gross.
I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. Trust me. Guys, I was pretty apprehensive. I mean, I'm willing to try food always, but this tastes I mean, if you have seasoning on it, it gives it that extra kick, but without it, it still tastes like a crab. If I were to give you like the consistency of the meat right now, it's almost like when you escovitch a fish and the fish fried dry, but there's not the, yo, I can't explain it. It's really good. It's really good. Wow. I like him bathed in salt, man.
I say it just tastes salty and everything, dog.
No, I'm surprised. Wait, so, but that water isn't it, like, it's fresh water?
Fresh water.
So why it tastes so?
Why it tastes salty?
It's not like an intense salt, but it feels like you're seasoning for diabetic people. That's what it is.
Yeah.
No man. And you can almost get like a slight sweetness to it too.
Yeah, natural.
Wow. This is really strange. I might think.
Next, we're going to try some fish because we soon finish eating off the crab and everything and we just like jump in. So now I make that video into a 2-part video, so stay tuned.
Nice. Not much. You need to survive with, but it's better than nothing. All right, that was a pretty decent meal. For me personally, I enjoyed that. Preferably, I would still use seasoning because you don't know, but if you, for some reason, left your seasoning or whatever the case is, you're still going to have a really good flavor with it. Trust me, it was really good. But we still have a little bit of daylight left right now, so we're going to try catch some, what kind of fish?
Tilapia.
Tilapia? Yeah. AKA?
Perch.
Perch. So for the Jamaicans, they might call it perch, and for the US people, might call it tilapia. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys go home, probably try this, catch a crab. Let me say catch a crab, but yeah, you guys might be in the US.
Yeah, concrete jungle.
Yeah, so, you know, buy a crab, take maybe a small one, and try roasting it over your fire or something like that, and then give it a comparison. See how it tastes, you know. Trust me, it will surprise you. When I remember these 2 things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.